Morning muna to our kids. I want to hear the song. Good morning, grade 5 Aster. Go.
Good morning, Teacher Jerry. We're all also ready to say obey and play for the lessons for today.
And later, when we're done with our program, we will also end with that goodbye song. Welcome to our fourth quarter recognition program and conferring of meritorious awards. Today is a celebration of more than just grades. It is a tribute to the resilience, creativity, and character you have shown throughout this school year. To my grade 5 Astig Aster pupils, seeing you grow not just in your lessons, but in the incredible talents you are about to showcase. Today pala is not just a recognition, it's also a showcase. It's a parade of talents. It's my greatest reward as your teacher. To the parents, ma'ams, and sirs, thank you for being our constant partners in this journey. Your unwavering support is the foundation of these children's success.